Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create multiple number of threads on single bolt in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification. Let's start. First of all, we need to have a sketch on front plane. Draw a circle and start it from origin. Now define it for 0 millimeters. Go to features tab and extrude it up to 100 millimeters. 100 millimeters. Press OK button. Now click on this face and select sketch. Select this circle and press this button convert entities. Go to features tab and select this curves button. Now select helix and spiral. Select your height, pitch and start angle. So our height is 80 millimeters and pitch is 20 millimeter and start angle is 360 degrees. Press OK button. Again click on this face, select sketch, select the circle and press convert entities button. Go to features tab, select curves button and again select helix and spiral. At this time start angle is 180 degrees. Now you can see one helix is starting from this point and the other one is starting from this point. So press OK button. Now we have to create two planes. So click on reference geometry and select plane. Select this helix as first reference and then this point as second reference. Press OK button. Again click on reference geometry and select plane. On this time select the other helix as first reference and this point as second reference. So it is fully defined. Press OK button. Now sketch on both of these planes one by one. Sketch on it and make normal to. Draw a polygon. Number of sides are 3 and start it from origin. Define it. This length should be 6 millimeters. Now save and exit from sketch. Similarly sketch on plane 4, make normal to and draw same polygon with 3 sides. Start it from origin. Define it 6 millimeters. Save and exit from sketch. Now one by one hide both of these planes. Go to features tab and select swept cut. Select this sketch and then this helix. Press OK button. Again select swept cut command. Select this sketch and then this helix. Press OK button. Now click on this helix and hide it. Similarly click on the other helix and hide it too. So now you can see how easily two threads or dual threads have been created on single bolt. So there is another way to create multiple number of threads on single bolt. So let me show you how. So for that again create a new part. Sketch on front plane and then draw a circle. define it for 0 millimeters and go to features tab, extrude it up to 100 millimeters. Press OK button. Click on this face and select sketch. Now select this circle and select convert entities button. Go to features tab and select curves. Select helix and spiral. Height and pitch and start angle. So press OK button. Now go to reference geometry and select plane. Select this helix as first reference and then this point as second reference. Press OK button. Sketch on this plane 1, make normal 2 and draw a polygon with 3 sides. Start it from origin. Define it 6 millimeters. Press OK button and save and exit from sketch. Hide this plane. Select swept cut command from features tab. Select this sketch and then this helix. Press OK button. Hide this helix. Go to features tab and then click on this arrow below the linear pattern button and select circular pattern. Select this box pattern axis and click on this circle. Now click on this box, drop down this arrow and select swept cut. Number of threads are 3 or 4, whatever you want, and press OK button. So at this time 3 number of threads have been created on single bolt. One, 2 and 3. Thank you very much for watching and sparing time for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.